What's up, everybody? Hey, we're gonna go drive. I don't know what this video is gonna be about, but we're gonna go drive. We're gonna go drive this thing, and we're gonna take it into the mountains to check out a new road that we have not been on. So here's how my daughter gets in. You got it? That's how she gets in there. Once again, sitting on 40s. I don't know the size of the lift, but we're gonna go drive. And also, I got some new tires. Put on the CTSV. Yeah, that's right. Oh, I love driving that car. Anyways, so stay tuned. I might get a little bit of footage. Some shit might go down. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we're gonna take the camera just in case. It's not? Oh, look. Oh, yeah.
Ah! Is that a rattlesnake? No, Dad wouldn't pick it up if it was a rattlesnake. Come see it, Brielle.
All right, we're on an adventure here. Check out that. What kind of snake is that? Does anybody know?
It doesn't really look that dangerous.
Well, if it doesn't have a rattle, then it's probably not poisonous.
You don't know though.
Look at it, Brielle. It's big, huh?
That's a big old snake.
How do they move? It's so weird.
Check out this view. Oh man. Look at this view.
I wish I knew my time.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh look, I better turn the air conditioner on. Ah, all right. All right, so check it out. We are up here. I think this road dead ends down there, not too far. But check it out. Oh man, that thing's just beautiful. And up here, oh dude, look at some of these colors changing already. Came up here to scope it out. I cannot wait to come up here when the colors change. Woo. Look at that, one more time. Man, that's a beauty. Anyways, we're gonna go down this road. I think a dead end's just around the corner here, but yeah, look at those views. All right, so I'm actually just sitting in the Suburban waiting for the family. I had to go to the bathroom, and then they all went over and off in some direction. I don't know where they went. So I'm just waiting for them, but yeah, here we are. So check this out. I have been thinking about this channel for a little while, and it's about time we just do just whatever. I've got all the toys. I'm gonna start utilizing more content with the toys. So we've got the CTSV, the Jeep, the F-150, we've got the Pitster Pros, we've got the KLX, we've got the TW200.
Dad!
What?
Mom told me to come and see if you wanted to come all the way up there.
How come?
What?
Why?
Okay.
I want to go over there.
No.
Okay.
Come here first.
All right. All right, I gotta go. We're gonna go. We'll go walk over there. 10 miles later, I found them. I found them. There they are. Look at that. view. It doesn't really show up as good
Dad, I'm over here.
on camera. Hopefully, I don't know. Definitely does not look as cool, but that is cool. Littlefoot! Ah!
Dad, come
What?
follow me. Yeah.
I want to take the. Somebody's coming, but I want to take the road to the end over here.
Nope, I'm going back to my little hiding spot.
No, we're
All right, so I've never been on this road before, and the maps show that it dead ends somewhere right in here. So I just wanted to make sure that I can like get down in here and turn around, you know. But like, looks like it's been pretty muddy in here. Oh yeah, we can turn around right here. Anyways, check out that view, dude. I'll have to see if I can zoom in, but wow. That is awesome. That is awesome. What do you do when you get out of this thing?
no.
Just come on, tell me your process.
No.
Tell me.
Now I feel weird.
Just do it.
Why?
So you lock. Tell me, what do you do?
Lights off. Bluetooth off. Keys out. I forgot now.
Air conditioner.
Conditioning off.
Air
Doors
conditioner
locked.
off. Check, 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 check.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better,